Welcome to our family home. This is the Herman Unson Heritage House Bed and Breakfast. Most of the furniture here are original. So the table, this, one of my favorite pieces of furniture, hat stand, umbrella stand, and this is my lolo's actual walking cane. So this is the original house, sir. Here. Tapos, pag sinabi kong that was her cradle, siya talaga yung baby. Who was my great-grandmother.
Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating bunutan, ang mga punot, halaman, bakit kailangan umisan?
Silay City, isa sa dalawang heritage museum na matatagpuan sa Pilipinas bukod sa Bigan. Maraming prominenteng tao ang naninirahan dito dahil sa naglalakihang sakahan ng tubo na kilala ang Silay City sa tawag na Sugarlandia. Dahil sa malagong ekonomiya ng pagtutubo sa Silay noong panahon ng Kastila, maraming Pilipinong mayayaman na nagtayo ng kanilang magagarang tahanan dito na magpasa hanggang ngayon ay ating nasisilayan ang ganda ng istruktura at kultura ng mga Silay noon. Isa nga sa mga ito ang pamanang tahanan ng Herman Unson. Ang ancestral house ng Herman Locsin Unson at P. de la Rama Unson sa syudad ay sumusukat ng mahigit 2,600 metro kwadrado na makikita sa kanto ng Zamora Street at Gomez Street. Ang orihinal na may-ari ng bahay ay si Dr. Lope de la Rama, isa sa mga kilalang doktor noon at naging leader ng Silay noong panahon ng Kastila. Ayon sa mga research, si Dr. Lope ay naging classmate ni Dr. Jose Rizal sa kursong medisina sa University of Santo Tomas noon. Si Dr. Lope ay nagpakasal sa isang French mestiza na si Carmen Arcad. Nagkaroon sila ng kaisa-isang anak na babae na ngalan ay Adelaida at nagpakasal kay Felix Ledesma. Nabiyayaan sila ng 3 anak kabilang si Fe de la Rama. Si Adelaida ay sumakabilang buhay sa murang edad. Ang pangangalaga ng bahay ay iniwan ni Dr. Lope sa kanyang apo na si Fe de la Rama. Ang orihinal na bahay ay gawa sa kahoy at malapit sa Zamora Street. Si Herman Locsin Unson, ang asawa ni Fe de la Rama, ay galing sa mayamang pamilya at prominenteng Silay noon. Ang kanyang ina ay si Nieves Locsin na anak ng isang leader ng revolusyonaryo na si Leandro Locsin. Lumipas ang panahon, si Herman Locsin Unson ay naitalaga bilang Executive Vice President at General Manager ng Sugar Producers Cooperative Marketing Association o SPCMA. Bago ang kanyang nakatakdang pagreretiro noong 1930, ipinagawa nilang mag-asawa ang kasalukuyang mansyon na may neo-Spanish style na popular noong panahon bago ang World War II. Nang dumating ang mga Hapon sa Negros, ang pamilya ni Herman Unson ay agad umalis at inabandona ang bahay. At ito naman ay agad inokupahan ng mga Hapon. Sa kabutihang palad, ang bahay ay walang natamong sira sa panahon ng pag-uukupa ng mga Hapon. Sa maraming panahon, ang bahay ay unti-unting pinaganda at pinaluwag para sa pangangailangan ng pamilya Unson.
Welcome to our family home. This is the Herman Unson Heritage House Bed and Breakfast. And we've been open since 2016. So, medyo young. But we are the first heritage house na na-convert into a bed and breakfast. So, ayun. So, I am 5th generation now from the original owners of the property. I am Chel. Now, I'm a Jimenez. I'm married to a Jimenez. But prior to that, I was Chel Unson Lacson. So, my dad was a Lacson, my mom is a Unson. So, this property actually belonged to my lola. This was, kumbaga, bequeathed to her by the original owners of the property, yung grandparents niya. But, we call it Herman Unson Heritage House kasi si Lolo Herman married her, tapos siya yung nagpatayo ng present na house. Kasi before, it was different pa. This was built in 1938. So yung dati, yung original house made of wood closer to the gate. Obviously, yes, I can actually show you the picture later of the original house. Oo. So, but ngayon, obviously, it's sturdier. It's made of wood and cement. NHCP? NHCP na. Oo. So, at the time when it was still NHI, um, certain houses were chosen. Tapos they had to, they installed and we are now members of
Inaplayan nyo or
No,
talagang nakita
it
ng
was,
government?
alam mo, kasi at that time, it was my parents pa eh. So, yung memory ko, we were just told na our house was one of those selected to receive a marker. So, we had to attend the installation of the marker. Ayun.
Noong 2016, nag-start kayo ng
We started it as a business already. We opened it to the public as a bed and breakfast. So, we were yung initial, kumbaga, yung focus namin talaga was receiving guests like a hotel. Kasi family members stayed here, family friends stayed here. Tapos, this was at the same time na si Silay was starting to develop its tourism with regard to ancestral houses. So, we were approached by quite a few Silaynons. Ang sabi, no, we have guests. Tapos, after visiting the ancestral houses, pinapadala natin sa mga modern hotels. So, why not give them the option to experience staying in an ancestral house? Tapos, sabi nila, kita mo naman ang daming houses, no? Sabi nila, yung bahay nyo, almost okay na. I mean, it's livable na. Kulang na lang ng a few amenities like aircon, mga wifi, siguro mga ganyan. And it's okay na. About the Heritage House, sir, as a B&B, we have 5 rooms, okay, for guests. So this is the ultimate reason for opening this to the public. It's for overnight stays, no? We spoil our guests, and the rooms are big. Actually, sir, you're staying in one of our small rooms already, and that's not small. It's not. Oo. Yung katabi mo is really big. But yun nga, our small, kasi before when I mentioned that to our guests, sabi niya, sa maliit lang na room. So I showed him the room below yours, and of course, where you're staying. Sabi, ay hindi, yung maliit. Sabi ko, sir, ito na. This is not maliit. Oo.
Siguro ito yung pinakamaliit na room.
It's the same size as the ano. But it's not actually maliit. Oo. So anyway, we have 4 rooms here in the main house. And you notice may mga pangalan.
Oo nga.
Okay, so we put that there kasi sila yung may-ari ng room. So you're staying in the Carmen Cristina. Carmen is my tita, the 3rd sibling, and then Christina is my mom. Most of the furniture here are original. So the table, this, one of my favorite pieces of furniture, hat stand, umbrella stand, and this is my lolo's actual walking cane. Alam mo, yung mga payong, we used to put our payongs, or Herman Unson Heritage House payongs here, nawawala. Hinihiram ng, minsan may guest, pwedeng or may mga wedding, tapos hindi na bumabalik. So sabi ko, tagotan na lang, and then pag may request, then that's it. But, buti na lang, yung cane ng lolo ko is still there. So, hindi siya nawawala. Baka nga, or baka magalit siya sa guest. So, this is the original house, sir. Yes.
Ito yung kanina tinitingnan ko. Sabi ko,
that, okay, made of wood, nearer to the gate. The carriage was their mode of transportation, and the little girl there that is supposedly my lola. And then this naman, okay, claim to fame. That is Lolo Lope de la Rama, the original owner of the property. Kumbaga, siya yung great grandfather ko. Is the father of grandfather of Fe. And he was one of the few doctors of that time and claimed to fame. He was a classmate of Jose Rizal in UST. So, yan yung wood. If sana, the older the houses are, the wider the planks. So, although this is an old house, but yung sa Balay ni Grense, which is under repair, as in like, mga ganyan. Oo. 1898 siya. Eh. It's a much older house. And my
Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunutan, ang mga punot halaman, bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon?